Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best gadgets and products out there. Today, we've got something truly unique for you. The best glowing book. The Anwick Lamp Book Large Size Folding Mood Light. If you're looking for a stylish and functional light that adds a touch of charm and personality to any room, then this lamp is something you need to check out. Right off the bat, the Anwick book lamp stands out with its innovative design. This is not your typical table lamp. The design mimics the look of an open book, creating a wonderful, whimsical effect when it's turned on. Its LED lights cast a warm, inviting glow that adds mood lighting wherever you place it. Whether you're reading at your desk, winding down in the living room, or adding a cozy vibe to your bedroom, this lamp is perfect for all of those moments. One of the most impressive features is how portable and foldable it is. The Anwick lamp folds like a book and is lightweight enough to carry around. You can take it anywhere. It's small enough to fit in a briefcase or a backpack, making it ideal for traveling or camping. Don't worry about lugging around heavy equipment, because this lamp weighs less than 390 grams, so it's perfect for those on the go. Plus, the USB rechargeable feature means you can charge it easily from your computer or a power bank. And it'll last for 5 to 6 hours, making it great for those long nights when you need just the right amount of light. In terms of design and functionality, this lamp really shines. It's not only portable but also customizable. You can adjust the light color to suit your needs. Whether you need bright white light for reading, warm yellow for relaxation, or a soft warm white hue for a cozy atmosphere, this book lamp has it all. Switching between the different lighting modes is incredibly easy, so you can always set the perfect mood in any space. And the versatility doesn't end there. The Anwick book lamp isn't just for reading. It serves as an accent light, a night light, or even as a decorative piece to liven up a room. Its beautiful wooden finish gives it a rustic, natural feel that complements almost any decor style. Whether you're looking to enhance your living room, your study area, or your bedroom, it blends effortlessly into any space. Another great thing about this lamp is the attention to safety. It's equipped with a built-in power management IC, which provides overcharge, over-discharge, and short-circuit protection, ensuring that you can use it with peace of mind. It's designed with longevity and safety in mind, so you won't have to worry about malfunctioning or excessive power usage. Lastly, if you're looking for the perfect gift, this lamp is definitely a standout choice. Its unique design and practical functionality make it an excellent gift for both adults and kids alike. Whether it's for a birthday, a holiday, or just as a surprise gift for someone special, the Anwick book lamp is sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. So, if you're on the hunt for a quirky, portable, and stylish light that can transform any space into a cozy, welcoming area, the Anwick Lamp Book Large Size Folding Mood Light is definitely worth considering. It's a blend of practicality, design, and safety, making it the best glowing book for all your lighting needs. That wraps up today's review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the coolest gadgets and products. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.